A single thought changed the world. Now imagine a mind with no limit. Welcome to Information World. Human history is the story of intelligence expanding its reach. From the moment early humans shaped the first stone tools, intelligence began transforming the planet. Fire, language, mathematics, medicine, technology, each discovery pushed the boundaries of what the human mind could do. But this raises an extraordinary question: what if intelligence itself has no limit? Not just human intelligence. Intelligence in general. The ability to learn, adapt, create, and understand the universe. If intelligence truly has no limit, then what we call genius today may only be the very beginning. Think about the greatest minds in history. People like Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and Alan Turing completely changed the way humanity understands reality. Newton revealed the laws of motion that govern the physical world. Einstein reshaped our understanding of space and time. Turing helped create the foundations of modern computing. Yet each of them worked with a single human brain. A brain that weighs about 1.4 kilograms and operates with around 86 billion neurons. That sounds like a lot. But compared to the size and complexity of the universe, it may be incredibly small. Now imagine intelligence that could grow beyond biological limits. Artificial intelligence is already giving us a glimpse of this possibility. Modern AI systems can process enormous amounts of information faster than any human. They can analyze medical data, discover patterns in galaxies, design new materials, and even help scientists understand complex biological systems. But today's AI is still very narrow. It performs specific tasks rather than thinking broadly like a human. The real question begins when intelligence becomes capable of improving itself. Some scientists call this idea the intelligence explosion. It describes a moment when an intelligent system becomes smart enough to redesign and improve its own intelligence. Once that happens, each improvement allows it to make even better improvements. The cycle could accelerate rapidly. Instead of progress happening over centuries, it could happen over days, hours, or even seconds. If intelligence truly has no ceiling, the results could be unimaginable. Imagine a mind capable of understanding every scientific field simultaneously. A mind that could solve diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's not in decades, but in days. A mind that could design energy systems that eliminate pollution entirely. With enough intelligence, humanity might unlock technologies we currently think are impossible. Interstellar travel could become practical. Instead of spending thousands of years reaching nearby stars, advanced intelligence might discover entirely new methods of propulsion. Some physicists already speculate about concepts like warp drives or space-time manipulation, ideas that currently exist only in theoretical physics. A far more advanced intelligence might find ways to turn these theories into real technology. But the implications go far beyond technology. If intelligence has no limit, then our understanding of reality itself might be extremely incomplete. Right now, scientists estimate that about 95% of the universe is made of things we do not fully understand: dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious components shape the structure and expansion of the cosmos, yet we still don't know exactly what they are. A much more advanced intelligence might uncover answers to these mysteries. It might explain what consciousness truly is. Even today, one of the greatest unsolved questions in science is how the physical brain creates subjective experience. Why does electrical activity inside neurons produce thoughts, feelings, and awareness? Some philosophers call this the hard problem of consciousness. Perhaps a sufficiently powerful intelligence could finally solve it. That could change how we see ourselves. It might reveal that consciousness is not limited to biological brains. It might show that awareness can emerge in entirely different systems, machines, networks, or even structures we have never imagined. In that case, intelligence might not just evolve on Earth. It might already exist elsewhere in the universe. Consider this: our galaxy alone contains around 100 billion stars. The observable universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. If intelligent life emerges even rarely, there could be countless civilizations scattered across the cosmos. Some of them might be millions or billions of years older than humanity. If intelligence truly has no limit, those civilizations might have reached levels of understanding that are almost impossible for us to imagine. To them, our current technology might look like the earliest stone tools look to us today. They might have already solved the mysteries of physics, mastered energy on planetary or even stellar scales, and explored regions of space we can barely detect. Yet there is another side to this idea. Unlimited intelligence does not automatically guarantee wisdom. A mind that becomes extremely powerful could shape the future of entire planets, civilizations, or even ecosystems. The direction that intelligence takes could determine whether it becomes a force for creation or destruction. Human history already shows how powerful intelligence can be. The same minds that created medicine and space exploration also created nuclear weapons. So the question is not only whether intelligence can grow without limits. The deeper question is how it will be used. Some scientists believe the future of intelligence will be collaborative rather than competitive. Humans and artificial intelligence may work together, combining human creativity, curiosity, and emotion with machine speed and analytical power. Instead of replacing humanity, intelligence might expand what humanity can achieve. Imagine scientists exploring the ocean depths with intelligent robotic partners. Doctors working with AI systems that detect diseases years before symptoms appear. Astronomers using advanced algorithms to map billions of galaxies and discover entirely new cosmic structures. In this future, intelligence becomes a shared tool for exploration. And exploration may be the most important part of all. The universe is unimaginably vast. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take over 100,000 years to cross our own galaxy. Yet intelligence allows us to explore far beyond our physical reach. With telescopes, we see the birth of stars billions of light years away. With mathematics, we describe black holes and the curvature of space-time. With imagination, we ask questions about realities we cannot yet observe. Each step of intelligence opens new doors. But perhaps the most fascinating idea is this: intelligence might not just discover the universe. It might help shape it. Some theoretical physicists have suggested that extremely advanced civilizations could manipulate matter and energy on massive scales. They might build megastructures around stars, control planetary climates, or even engineer entirely new environments for life. At that level, intelligence becomes a cosmic force. Yet even if intelligence never reaches such extremes, its potential remains extraordinary. Every child learning to read. Every scientist asking a new question. Every idea shared between minds. These are small sparks of intelligence. But throughout history, small sparks have started enormous fires of discovery. The printing press transformed knowledge. Electricity reshaped civilization. Computers connected billions of people across the planet. Each breakthrough once seemed impossible. Which leads us back to the original question. What if intelligence has no limit? If that is true, then the future of discovery may be far larger than we can currently imagine. The greatest ideas of tomorrow might make today's science look like the beginning of a much longer journey. And perhaps the most exciting part is that the story of intelligence is still being written. Right now. By scientists, engineers, thinkers, dreamers, and by every curious mind asking new questions about the universe. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Information World for more fascinating ideas about science, the universe, and the mysteries of reality. And before you go, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think intelligence has limits, or could it grow forever? I'd love to hear your perspective.